Hi there. Today we're going to be looking at the Andersen A-Series window. The A-Series is one of my personal favorites because it checks just about every box for every customer for every project. To start with, the exterior of this window is fiberglass, incredibly durable and resilient through our 4 seasons we experience here in Chicago. The frame is made by Andersen's Fibrex material, again, incredibly resilient and strong. Meanwhile, you get the elegant, beautiful wood interior finish on this window. There's 6 different interior wood species available and 19 different interior finish options between different factory paints and stains. But it's wood. If none of those suit you, we can of course custom finish the interior for you as well. And then finally, there's 11 exterior colors available. So whatever you choose to do, the Andersen A-Series will be able to accomplish what you want, what your vision is for your project on your home. To show you how it works, this is a double hung. It has an integral tilt or latch and tilt mechanism. So you unlock the window, lift up on the double hung, and press in on the hardware for the bottom sash to tilt in. For really easy cleaning. For the top sash, you just pull down and there's 2 tilt tabs on the top. You compress those and just pull the window in towards you. And again, super easy for cleaning. Just pop those back into place, tilt the bottom sash back in, lock the window, and you're all set. Again, we love the A-Series window here. Be sure to check it out for your project.